Hey guys, this is the engineer. I want to show you about some of the fun tricks you can do with this awesome project management site called Podio. So what I'm going to do now is just kind of give you an overview of what I'm looking at. I've created an app called Leads, and each of these leads we're going to call a data set. So these data sets here all have pieces of data in it. The name of the individual, the the name of the company, um, the compatibility, so on and so forth. So what I can do here, you'll notice that if I click on this top, I can organize it by whatever the piece of data that I'm trying to organize it is. So, compatibility, I can organize by compatibility. I can organize by company name alphabetically. So you can see already that that's a very powerful thing to be able to do, to be able to look at the data however it is that you want to look at it. You'll notice that I have 297 pieces of data in there, 297 leads. Um, so that's a lot of stuff to try and search through. If I was to just scroll down and then show more and scroll down, you can see eventually it's going to get annoying. So you can filter out certain pieces of data. So let's say I want to filter out the the data sets that I have created within the last month. You can just go right up here to filters. You can see created on, and we're going to go ahead. You can either do a 30-day date range. You can just click right there, or I'm going to set a custom date range. So I'm going to go a month ago through now. Now all of a sudden, if you go back over to the leads here, you can see that 109 of them are now showing out of the 297. And those are only the ones that have been created within the last month. So if I wanted to organize this even further, let's say I want to go by one of these columns here, this lead industry. So if I want to organize by the industry and filter out anything that's not a property manager, for instance, now my data set is only reflecting contacts that I've made within the last month and only within the lead industry of property manager. If you look at filters, you can go up to the very top. You can see that applied filters is there. And this is where you're able to review what filters are applying to your data sets. You can see that. And you can break this down even further, but I think you get the idea here. Now, you can also notice that, say, since I'm only looking at the property manager in the lead industries, I can just go up here to options and then take the check mark off of lead industry because I know that all of them are property managers. I can also add whatever piece of whatever the column, the individual data types. I can also filter through that. So let's say I want to just put the name of the city. Boom. And then, furthermore, I can go back to looking here at this view, and I can organize alphabetically by any one of these columns. So you can see this will definitely make it easier to look through data. Now, on top of all of that, you can also organize the view that you are looking at. Or I'm sorry, you can save the view that you're looking at. So let's say that I wanted to present this to the marketing person, a marketing director. I want to present them with a saved view of only the leads that I've captured within the last month, and only the ones that are within the project management or which project manager lead types. I could just go right up here and I can say save view. We're going to save as, because I accidentally just saved over that one. Sorry. We're going to save as, and we'll call it last month project managers. Boom. Now, I can, anytime that I want to use use these filters or pre-save all those filters and the views, all I have to do is go to this drop-down menu here and select last month PM. The other cool part about all of that is that it saves it for anybody who's able to access this particular group here, or I'm sorry, this particular workspace. So anybody that has access to this workspace can go right up here to this drop-down menu and say, "Oh, let's look at the C leads, or let's look at the last month project manager leads." There you go. Anybody that has access to this workspace will be able to use that. So that's a really cool, fun thing. On the next, so that's pretty much it for this. On the next one that I'm about to make, the next webinar, I'm going to show you how to make a your own app, just like this one here, Leads. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.